Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing good. Today I'm going to make cumin biscuits, or you can say Zeera biscuits or even cookies. As it's homemade, it's completely safe to give it to your children, as children love the snack and love to eat biscuit. So eat it with tea or something. To make this biscuit, I have taken 1/4 cup of butter and poured it into a bowl. With that, I'm taking icing sugar half cup and salt about half teaspoon. Because these are salted cookies, so we're going to add salt as well. I'm going to add baking powder 1 teaspoon and cumin seeds, or you can say Zeera seeds, about 1 teaspoon as well. And I'm going to mix it with the help of a spoon. While I'm mixing all these ingredients, why don't you just go and hit the subscribe button. Once you're gonna hit the subscribe button, you will see a bell icon, hit it, and you will be updated by my latest videos on the first go. So all the mixing is done. Now I'm going to add all-purpose flour about 1 cup, and with the help of a spoon I'm again going to mix it. And you can see it's all dry, and I'm gonna use my hand now because it's much comfortable or easy to use your hand while working with this mixing. So you can see it's completely dry. With that, I'm going to add some milk. I have taken milk into a cup and I'm gonna pour it time to time as per it's needed. As you know, the milk is being added, it makes it completely healthy, and you can give it to your child without any hesitation. Whether it's healthy or not, it's completely healthy. So I'm adding milk according to the need, and we're going to make it a dough-like material. Once it's gonna be a dough-like material or mixture is ready, knead it well for like 3 to 4 minutes and your mixture is completely ready to be baked. While making pizza dough or any dough, kneading is the main part of the recipe, and kneading is quite essential. So we're done with the dough part and the kneading part as well. I'm going to divide the dough into smaller portions and gonna make biscuits out of it. So we're going to place this dough on a flat material or flat plate, and with the help of a knife I'm going to make smaller portions of it. You can see I'm dividing into like 3 or 4 or 5 portions of it. So now I've cut it horizontally, and now it's the vertical part. I'm going to cut a vertical as well, and it's completely done. Now we're going to take the portions and gonna make biscuits or cookies out of it. While doing this process, you can also wear gloves, but wearing gloves make it a little slippery. Now you can see that I'm making cookies, and you can also follow the same process like I'm doing it. Do the same thing and grease the tray with some oil. And even if you don't like the stickiness of these cookies, you can place some oil into your hand so that cookie batter or the dough does not stick to your hand. Now all the cookies are done. I'm going to place it into the oven, and you can see I've placed all these cookies onto the plate, and first I've greased it. I'm going to make a little cut with the help of a knife. You can just skip this part if you don't like this design. I'm just giving it a design. And you can also make any shape of these cookies. If you like the star shape, if your children like the star shape, you can give the star shape or heart shape or any shape you like. So I'm going to give a little bit design onto that, and with that I'm going to sprinkle some cumin seeds onto it because these are cumin biscuits. So I'm going to sprinkle cumin seeds. You can also sprinkle chocolate or something like chocolate chips. So now you can see that I've sprinkled the cumin seeds on every cookie or the biscuit I have. Now I'm going to place this into the oven. So these are ready to be baked. While working with oven or any hot thing in the kitchen, wear gloves. Now we're going to place it in the oven, and we've set the temperature of the oven for like 180 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, our cookies are going to be served in front of your guests. So you can eat it with tea or serve it with tea in front of your guests. These are such a tasty and healthy cookies that everybody is going to love. So if you really like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and your family, and remember to subscribe to my channel. Till then, goodbye. See you in the next video.